Grab your dumbbells. We got a lower body burn today, glutes, thighs, and calves. Grab some medium or heavy dumbbells, set them aside for a quick body weight warm-up, and let's get started. All right, just march it out right here. Get those arms involved. Nice exaggerated motion. All right, now start to add some wide marches. Narrow, wide, narrow. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Leave it at the wide. Do a nice little hamstring curl with a reach and grab. Always keeping those arms involved. Don't want to exclude anything in the warm-up. Even though it's a leg workout, you're gonna need those arms for holding those dumbbells. Keep reaching and grabbing. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep that wide stance. Nice little crunch. So leg comes forward now. High knees, alternating. Get some ab engagement here. Nice little crunch down. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, nice little pulses right here. Chair pose, you got it. Not here for long. This is the last exercise of this warm-up. Heart rate should be elevated. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, grab your dumbbells. Let's get started. So we're gonna start with one side, your right side. Put that foot ahead. We're gonna do a staggered deadlift into a curtsy. So left foot is barely any weight in your left foot. You're gonna do a full deadlift, come up, and then curtsy on the same side. So that left foot has just lightly touching the mat. Nice and controlled, go at your own pace here so that you get that balance. It's really not so much about reaching the ground as it is pushing your glutes back. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. You should really feel it in the glutes here. 1. Get that curtsy. All right, there we go. Intermission move. Chair pose again. You can have your arms and dumbbells on your shoulders, or if you want to level it up, you can raise them to the sky. But sink down into a chair pose. You're just going to lift, lift. So try to keep wherever your butt lands in the chair, try to keep it there for the whole move. We're not here long. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. So now your left foot comes forward. Right foot is that little stagger kickstand. Deadlift down, come up fully, curtsy lunge, and then reset. So again, you have barely any weight in that right kickstand. So you got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and last one right here. Finish with that curtsy. Oh, shake it out. All right, we're going into a little plie squat series. We're gonna be here for a little bit, so you can put those dumbbells on your shoulders, or you can hang them down, but I find it's easier to put them on your shoulders for this. Nice wide stance, toes are pointed out at about 45. We're just gonna do a full plie squat to start. Getting the move down. We're gonna be adding some heel lifts or calf raises, whatever you wanna call them, in the mix. Nice and controlled. Make sure you tuck your hips under so you can start to feel those inner thighs working. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 full one. All right, meet me at the bottom. You're going to calf raise and come back up. You might have to slightly move your feet inward for this one. Less of a wide stance. Come back down, calf raise, fully up, reset. Down, calf raise, pop up, put those heels down. You got it. A little bit of a coordination game here. So you're popping up with your toes. Eight, 7, 6, 5. You got it. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. Reset your feet if you need to. Come lower. Hold in this low pose. You're going to alternate calf raise right here. Nice and low. Sink a little lower. Right, left, right, left. We're almost done here. Embrace the shake. We're gonna finish with some squat pulses. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Feet are planted. Pulse it out. Right here. Up an inch, down an inch. Get low. Show me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake it out. Now we're gonna move into some lunges. All right, left foot comes forward. Right foot is back. Heel is slightly off the ground. Lower, you can have your dumbbells on your shoulders or just hanging, up to you. You're going to do a full lunge lower and make sure that you're not locking your front knee at the top. You got it. If you have to go slower for that balance, this is your workout. Really burning out the glutes here. We got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower down into the bottom of the move and just pulse it out. Up an inch, down an inch. You got it. We got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Whew. Quick intermission move, of course, before we hit the other side. So you're gonna lower down into a nice neutral squat. So feet shoulder width get down low. You're going to alternate hip rotations. And when you do this, you can add a band if you got it to get more glute engagement, but you're slightly lifting that heel off the ground for whatever foot is rotating out, just to protect those knees. Get a little lower. A little isometric holds going on here. You should start to feel the thighs fire up. Lower body burn. Give me 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Right foot comes forward, unless you did the opposite leg as me. Either way, hitting that other leg. Put those, I guess you can hang them like I did, or you can put them on your shoulders. Try to keep it the same. Lower down and up. Again, so you're not fully locking that front knee, but you are coming up. Whew. Legs are shaking. We're almost done the video, guys. Keep pushing through. Don't forget, we got that pulse coming up. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Meet me at the bottom. Pulse it out. Up an inch, down an inch. You got it. Embrace the burn. It's gonna come on more quickly. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, final move. We gotta get some lateral lunges in the mix. Oh, legs are shaking. All right, so you can have these dumbbells, again, hanging and tracking. We're gonna be moving back and forth, or you can put them on your shoulders. Whatever feels most comfortable to you. But we're going to get low on one side, and you're just going to shuffle from side to side. But you're not fully coming up. You're not going like this. Just keep it low. This is where you do push your butt back. You're just staying in a single plane, back and forth. I'm just gonna burn it out right here to the end of the video. Keep going strong. All right, final countdown. We got 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Incredible work, we did it. If you want to support my channel, leave a comment down below saying best 10-minute leg workout. I'll see you guys with the next one. Bye, guys.